What's up, everybody? This is Brad at New Earth Organics and Hydroponics in Louisville, Kentucky, and today we are excited to do a unboxing of the AC Infinity Cloudline series duct fan. Let's see what we've got. This is what we've got here. This is going to be the hygrometer that they send in. Also, I believe where you will program your fan how you want it. And then I'm assuming this is manual. All right. Alright guys, this is the Cloudline T6. It is the 6-inch inline phone. It's nice and sleek. So I know that from seeing these online that these screws here will loosen to take these off, and you can actually take off the center core piece here. That gives you access to be able to, if you're not in a tent, if you're in a room, basement building, anything like that, you can actually take this out to access the mounting bracket, which allows you to mount it directly to a wall or 2x4 frame, whatever you've got going. So arrows so that you know your direction. Alright, here's our module. It also has brackets and holes to mount this. It's got 2 cords coming from the fan itself. One is going to your programmer. The other, of course, is your power cord. Alright, we've got power. That's nice right there. That is turned all the way up. It's got 8 different speeds. And big thing about these is they are quiet, so this is all the way at setting 1. Extremely quiet. Looks like you can set it for a certain amount of time if you want to. You can program it to come on at a certain temperature. You can set your temperature and humidity levels on this. You can set it for an alarm to go off at a certain high or low temperature, and also alarm for humidity. And you can create different settings for different scenarios. So if you want to keep one setting for veg and another setting for blooming or flowering or fruiting, you can do that. Alright guys, that's the unboxing. Hopefully we can show you guys here in a little bit how we can put this thing up. Alright guys, on your programmer, it's got your hookup that goes to your fan, and then also here it's got a jack port for your probe. So this will go where you want to read your temperature and humidity. The programming box is really cool. Played with it a little bit. That's going to be way too much to explain in a video, but definitely check it out. You can set, it's got 8 different speed settings. You can set it to come on for temperature. You can set it what level. And the cool part is you've got 10 different settings that you can program into it as well. Alright, we'll show you guys how to put this thing up. Alright guys, let me show you how to install your AC Infinity Cloudline fan. Really simple. If you are in a tent, which we are, I'm going to be using the rope ratchets, which is what they suggest. If you're in a room, the fan has a bracket so that you can mount directly to the wall, ceiling, however you want to put it. It's got an option to take this out. But we're not going to have to deal with any of that. It's going to be real simple for us. We are going to use the rope ratchets. And all you gotta do, I'm probably gonna edit all this voice. That'll work for now.
We edited out the sound.
Here's this fan right here. So it's a bigger fan. All it does is tilt up and down.
But it's stronger though, right?
It is stronger. It's a 30-watt fan.
Nice.
Yeah.
Which one's the top reservoirs? Dropping on like that? No, I don't check it, but well, I mix it and it goes to 6.0 and I put it in there and it only feeds into it when it calls for it. I'm checking the lower reservoir and the two controller stuff. Yes, yeah, we're both that and the 2 buckets and stuff that it feeds. Did you put oxygen in there? I have aerators and all of it. Okay. Top reservoir, the